We're just getting up to go outside and look at what it's like outdoors. Oh my goodness. We got a lot of snow. Here we go, outside now. More snow. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Oh wow, it's a good probably 4 inches of snow. What do you think, Al? There's a little bit of grass underneath the edge here. You gonna play in the snow? What is it? What is that? Oh boy. Get it, Em. Get that snow. Wow, it's so pretty. The sun's just coming up. Look at the trees. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. It's like a winter wonderland. Wow, this is the most snow I've seen since I lived here, that's for sure. Crazy. Everything is so pretty. Emmy decided she didn't like it because it was freezing on her little feet. She wanted me to pick her up and carry her. Look at the trees. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. Look at all that snow. A little too deep for Em this morning. She didn't really like it. It's beautiful out here. The sun's up. Everything is just covered with snow still, including the street. There's a couple sets of tracks and one of them is all squiggly like they slid, so I'm a little worried about going up this hill. I don't know if I'll even try. I'll have to see. But it's sure beautiful out. Just magical looking. Sure is pretty. The big tree is covered with snow. Everything looks so beautiful.